Hey guys, CPT Mechanic here, and this is my new Seat Ibiza 1.9TDI which I picked up and that I plan to make my new daily driver. Let me give you an overview. Okay, so these came in three specs for the SA market: the PD100 74 kilowatt, the PD130 96 kilowatt, and the PD160 Cupra 118 kilowatts. And they came in a couple of engines: the ADT, AXR, AZ BLT, and BPX BUK, which we don't find as common. These cars shared underpinnings with the VW Polo 9N, which we got in South Africa, and the Skoda Fabia VRS more particularly, which we did not get in South Africa, more for the European market. So this car comes with 17-inch rims wrapped in 205 40 17 tires Dunlop. It comes with a electric sunroof fitted from the factory, which is fantastic. So that's sliding closed, popping up, popping down, and sliding open again. I love this feature. It's fantastic to have. And just take a look on the inside. You'll see leather seats. The floor mat is a bit dirty. The car needs a good clean on the inside, no doubt about that. It comes with multi-function steering wheel, which is quite cool, quite nice to have. Leather seats as well, a couple of tears, and a 6-speed manual. And for those who know, 6-speed manuals are the ones to have. You'll see why. The back seats are also leather. Don't worry about the headrests in the boot. And the floor as well, at the back, quite dirty, full of grass. Could use a vacuum and detail. Okay, let me show you a couple of repairs that needs to be done. The side indicator lights needs to be replaced desperately. The rear bumper has a hole in, don't know why. The number plate lights, repair number 2. So one of the lights, the clips are broken, it's falling out, and the other one isn't even there. So I'll try to source them for it to be replaced. Number 3, the rear boot spoiler has taken quite a lot of sun damage, so it could use a respray. I can try that on my own. The rear quarter has been hit with sun damage as well as the rear bumper as well. And the front quarter. So the sun has obviously taken a knock on this car. Has dealt some damage on the car. Perhaps the respray I'll send away. Those big panels. Okay, so repair number 4. Polish the headlights. It is a bit yellow. Repair number 5, to install some fog lights. I think this car came with fog lights, but the previous owners have removed it. There is a wiring harness, and the headlight switch does accommodate for it. So it can be installed, no problem. Shouldn't be a problem anyway. Right, so the key fob does not work for some other reason. The light does work sometimes. It could just need a set, could be set with the car or something else. So this is the front washer fluid squirting out for some other reason. Let's open the bonnet. So repair number 7, there is a cut or a slit in the hose that needs to be replaced or mended. Shouldn't be too difficult of a fix. So as I took this car on a test drive, I heard a rumbling sound from the back, especially with passengers in the back. So giving the wheel a couple of shakes and a spin, there's definitely a noise, and that would indicate a rear wheel bearing, which shouldn't be too difficult to replace either. I'm sure I can knock that out. Let's take a look at the shocks. There was a bit of knocking as well over bumps. So rear shocks and shock protectors can be replaced as a unit. Looking with Perich, it's probably the original from the car itself, from 2007. Okay, let's go to the back. So there is a rear silencer. There's no other silencers or cat in front. And the previous owner gave a straight pipe for the back. So guys, let me know if I should straight pipe the cuck out of this thing to make it loud and annoy all my neighbors. Let me know in the comments below. So this is the BLT PD130 from the factory. 130 horsepower, 96 kilowatts, and 310 newton meters of torque. So the previous owner has done a stage 2 remap and a front mount intercooler conversion. The cars come factory with a side mount intercooler, but the front is much better to cool the charge there. So this car is probably knocking on 200 horsepower and 400 to 450 newton meters of torque. So repair number 10, the EGR should be removed and cleaned. Let's check out the glow plug leads. And I've noticed one of them has broken off. So repair number 11, glow plug lead wire should be soldered back on again, so the car can warm up better in winter. And let's go for a start. So this is the car just approaching the on-ramp onto the highway. It has a hell of a lot of torque and kick when you put your foot down. This is just the car driving very gingerly while warming up, taking it very easy and conservatively. So this is just a short summary of the necessary items that need to be done and optional items that can wait a bit. So most of these needed items are required for the car to pass roadworthy, similar to a MOT that they would have in the UK. So it needs to be done for the car to be registered onto my name and to get my license disc, which makes it legal on the road. Without passing, I cannot drive it legally. Unfortunately, that's just how it works in South Africa. But we move on. So this is the video of the next video of the existing shocks that are on the car and the new shocks that will be replaced. Guys, thank you very much for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.